Welcome guys once again. So here is Hovind sir, and this is your second part of your we have English book, and the chapter name is your The Sound of Music, and it's a short summary, and I hope you will like this one very good. And after watching this video, you must read the book at your home so that you can understand it very good. So my dear students, let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome back students. So Bismillah Khan is the main character of this chapter. So let's read this one, and this is a short summary. So this chapter throws light on the origin of Sahnai and the life of all-time great Sahnai Wadak. Bismillah Khan, the winner of Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India, for his dedication to music and his love for India. So Pungi, a musical instrument, was banned by Emperor Aurangzeb because of its shrill and unpleasant sound. In fact, it was regarded more of noise maker rather than a musical instrument. It was modified and perfected by a barber who belongs to a family of professional musicians. He played it in the chamber of the king. Its sound was so appreciated by the emperor that it was made a part of Nawad. Since it was played for the first time in Shah chamber by Anne, it came to be known as a Sanai. Traditionally, it was played in the temple and won every auspicious domestic occasion also. Its sound was regarded as auspicious, but it was treated as an incomplete musical instrument, not capable of creating independent pages. But Bismillah Khan broke this myth. Bishmala belongs to the Benares Garna. He was born in 1916 at Dumrao in Bihar. From 5 years of age, he used to visit the Biharji temple and sings Bhojpuri Chaitya there. For his melodious singing as a child, he used to earn a big laddu from the local Bhojpuri king. At the age of 6, he moved to Banaras. Yes, my dear friends, he moved to Banaras. There, under the guidance and training of his maternal uncle Ali Bucks, he started picking up the finer nuances of Sinai. He used to spend most of his time practice on the bank of the river Ganga. The themes of his music were deeply affected by the sound of the flowing water of the Ganga. He got the Best Performer award at All India Music Conference in Allahabad in 1930. In 2001, he won three awards, the Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. He was invited to play the Sanai from the Rampart of Red Fort in 1947, becoming the first to greet the independent India. He won many Independent India. He won many international awards. Also, he became the first Indian to perform at the Lincoln Central Hall, USA. An auditorium in Tehran was named after him. Tahar Moscow Ustaz Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was very fond of Banaras and Dumrao. He declined an offer from one of his students to settle in the US, as he was not willing to stay away from long from Banaras and its holy river Ganga. He ventured into film world also. He contributed his music in two movies. His composition Dil Ka Khilona Hai for movie Gunj Uthi Senai was a catbuster, but he could not associate himself with the artificial glamour of the film world. For him, music was his soul and his life. So, my dear friends, thank you for watching, and it was your short summary, and that was written in a simple sentences. So, thank you for watching.